I'm Roy here at Sportsman's Outpost. We're getting ready for deer season. Just a heads up, we've got a gunsmith in-house that's here that does ultrasonic cleaning, getting the weapon ready for hunting season, making sure everything is in good working order. He'll go through the weapon, disassemble it, clean it, put it back together, oil it. If you've got an optic mounted on it, we'll bore sight your scope and get you back on paper. Just trying to get everybody ready so they'll have a successful year. A lot of times from year to year, people get busy hunting and they don't want to take the time to clean their weapon. Sometimes the actions won't work smoothly because there's some grime or some dirt in there. You know, we all guilty of when we come in, we're tired, we clear it, unload it, put it up, and don't pick it up again until we're ready to go hunt. It's just always a good idea to have a gunsmith look it over, make sure everything's in good working order, make sure it's lubricated properly. You know, not too much, not too little, but the right amount of lubrication so that everything functions the way it should. Gives him a chance, whenever you come in and have it clean, gives the gunsmith a chance to identify any problems you may be having and hopefully get everything working in right order. Myself, I clean it after every use. Some people say after every 100 rounds, every 200 rounds. Just really depends on the application. During deer season, I give my weapon a good clean whenever I go to the range. I'll sight it in and then I'll clean the bore. Unless I set out in the weather, then of course you want to wipe everything down and clean and keep it lubricated so you prevent rust. But you know, that's a personal preference of how. Right now we've got a pretty quick turnaround. We do mount and bore sight scopes. We trigger the scope to the weapon. We've got a short range out back that the gunsmith will go out, get your weapon on paper at 30 yards, set it up so that it should be on at 100, and then you can go out and verify it after you leave here. It'll get you close, it'll get you on paper, but you always need to verify your own weapon. The cleaning, repairs, of course we got the Cerakoting. If you have a weapon that you're going to be hunting out in inclement weather with, it's a good idea to get it coated. Adds a little bit of personality to your weapon. You can have it done any way that you like it. But it's also protecting the weapon. Makes it a little better for you to carry it in the outdoors.